Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this first day of July 2025. We just got finished with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by folks joining us in the live trading room, as well as myself. So here we go. Our favorite signal here is the strong candle indicator, which we have over here. We've seen this many times. You can only get it at samurai-daytrading.com. And it simply says, if you see this arrow pointing down and it's red, you want to trade in that direction. And all you got to do is match your ATM to the PVI. So I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 50 to 80 ticks long. Um, we're going to go ahead and pair. We're going to do 20s, 40s, and 80s on this particular one. And we'll de-risk the trade after 20 ticks, and then we'll see if we can catch our runners. So we'll go ahead and sell, put it underneath the candle to start. And then wait for the retrace. If it retraces, we'll pick it up and put it on the body of the candle at that point. So let's see how we go, and we'll start it up now. Brilliant. There's a nice retrace. Well, that didn't quite work out. Let's see if it retraces again. Usually it'll play around a little bit. Give it a little trouble. There we go. That's what I figured happened. That's a nice move up. Then we'll just wait for it to come pick us up, take our first target out, and we'll be risk-free. There we go. Actually, the stop is right where it needs to be, the last failure point. And now we just need to go 20 ticks down, and we will de-risk the trade and see if we can get our runner. Now this, if I remember right, takes more than a candle to do. So, all right, notice we hit our first target and we de-risk the trade. Stop goes from all the way up here down to a break-even position. And we'll just leave it there and let the candle play out. Now this is running at 6 times market speed because we don't want to be here all day. If it comes back and takes us out here, that's a break-even trade, and we can re-enter the trade again. So what we're doing is we're protecting ourselves. If it just wants to turn around and run long, and we put another order on, it'll just keep running long. If it takes us out at break-even and picks us up again, highly likely we'll get our first target taken out again. So it's just a hedge. We'll get another order ready just in case. All right, here's the second candle. So we've already gone one 5-minute candle. That's it. It doesn't come back anymore after that. So second target's out. It's 2 times 20 and a 40. So we're 80 ticks in profit, which is about $400 US dollars. And then come down to our 80 tick target. It looks like it wants to drop pretty well. Now this particular one, usually we're out on the next candle, but we got one in between. So this took about 9 minutes to complete and was worth 870 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 870 US dollars in less than 9 minutes, come join us in the live trading room at samurai-daytrading.com. That's samurai-daytrading.com. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless you. Have a great day, and we'll do it again next time.